Dear God.
I'm just fixing the air conditioning. Basically, one of the pipes was blocked, so we just undid all the pipes one by one and cleaned them out. Cleaned out the filter. I said we've had a pretty eventful day today. I got bloody diesel squirted all over my face and in both my eyes. Got salt water all over me from the air conditioner. Ripped the boat apart. We ripped the front bedroom apart. Now I ripped this seat apart.
And now we have to figure out a way to get Jackson off this dock. See how he handles this. That didn't go well.
Poor thing.
Big difference from this to a beach. Jackson, come. No, stay.
Stay, buddy.
Not yet.
Stay there.
Okay.
Boy.
I wonder if it's because he was from a shelter, nothing phases him. He's just like...
So Brittnis couldn't get up get off the boat and climb up the big wall. So this gentleman's happily left us climb up his boat and use the thing here. I'll go help. How was that, Brittnis?
That was good.
We've got to try and get the laptop fixed, and we need food and water and petrol.
Ryan's inside right now, picking up our laptop that the cord broke. Interested to see how expensive it is. How'd you go?
500 lek, it's like $8 maybe. Funny, he gave me this cord. This is my poor charger. This is what's left of my original charger.
Oh, he's just a baby.
Stay down. Yeah, all I do is pat him.
Maybe he's
Come on, buddy.
thirsty. Do you want to come live on a boat with us? Where the hell are we, Ryan?
So literally for a minute there, I thought someone like just put Audi on the Google Maps and was like directing us to some little side alley where they're going to kidnap
lure
us
us in.
take our kidneys or something.
Because like, look, this is not where you'd expect an Audi.
Look, like an Audi.
Is it a real Audi?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Scary.
We went to all the grocery stores in this little Durres section here near the port, and the spa is the best.
Alright, now we're gonna go get food. That looks like a cool place to have a drink.
Yeah.
Maybe they have happy hour. Ooh. We're enjoying our probably last drinks in Albania.
Yeah, well my quattro,
Ryan's got his Albanian beer.
which is like 80 cents, so how much they charge me. In the supermarket, 80 cents. $2.
Yeah, but you're on a castle, like, fair enough. And we have the nice view overlooking our marina.
I wouldn't really call it a marina, I'd call it more of a commercial bloody deck zone. Massive trucks and forklifts driving by every 5 seconds. You know what? That's like the second time now I've just ate shit walking downstairs.
Ryan's a lightweight. He has one beer. Can't walk.
You know what though? I think it's not the beer, I think it's just who I am.
So here's another difference between Albania and anywhere else we've ever been. So we just went to go order a meal, and I'm ordering something for Ryan and I to share, and then he wants to get something on his own. And the guy literally wouldn't accept Ryan's extra order. He's like, no, too much food. You don't need it. No. He just walked off.
I know. He's like, in America, that would have been like, you know what? Bottomless soda drink, beef you up, get fat and chubby.
Here they're like, don't waste food.
So we've gone to this place which like specializes in beers. It's 4 beers on tap. Like, what kind of beer menu is that? Durres beer station. There's like 4 beers on tap. Another 1 meter pizza ordeal. It is good, but I'm disappointed it's 2. I'm just like, it's 2 half meters, it's not 1 full meter.
Stop!
Do you know what? A lot of people say, honey, I love you, baby. What do you call me?
Stop!
That's what I get.
Ryan!
Yeah, I get that too.
When
Ryan!
you're being irritating, I tell you I love you.
Thank
You're
you.
just irritating 90% of the time.
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe to like our channel. This place is like what my Pinterest boards are made of. Look at From Durres with love.
Oh, look at that, eh?
Mine's like a little kid right now. This crepe was like $4 and it's massive.
Albania has cheap crepes, so I'm gonna move to Albania. Oh no. I'm moving to Albania.
The last, like, you're disgusting human being.
No.
Give her a soup. Here, give it to her. So that's what's really sad. Like those two little teeny kids came running over and like he was really persistent, but we gave them some little packs of soup and they both grabbed, we gave one to her, one to him, and then they both grabbed each other's hand and then went running back to mom. I always find those situations really hard because on one hand that may be like that mom's only option. They are genuinely hungry and desperate that she's sending her children out to try and get whatever they can. But then at the same time, like that little boy had to be no older than 3 years old and he was pushy. After we had given him the soups and we tried to walk, he was cutting me off and pulling my dress and wouldn't actually let me walk to where I had to stop, look at him, say no, and walk around him. The sad thing is I would never treat a 3-year-old like that, but it's like she's trained her child to be like an adult at 3 years old and try and force something out of people. That's why I'd rather give food than money, because at least the mum will actually use that, hopefully. Whereas if we give money, you don't know where that money's going to. That's always been my theory. This dog is going to be the death of me. I was just sitting down here and Ryan had taken Jackson for a bathroom break. All I hear is, Brittni.
Brittni.
Hey, Brittni. And I just like come strolling up, no problem, casual, thinking Ryan just needs me to go help him get the dog back on the boat. And I come up and Jackson
fucking hanging
is
off the
hanging
off
the ledge.
Off the ledge. Here, come.
By his harness, just like flopping around. Look, and his back legs are all wet because he was dunked in the water.
Usually he doesn't jump in unless I say so. And he jumped in and the whole dinghy swung around and he fell down and I'm just sitting there hanging. I'm like, Brittni. And you came in and go, what are you doing? And I'm like, I'm holding the dog, mate. Lower the tentacle.
But like I literally walked out and he's dangling with his legs dipping in the water. You poor little soul. Good thing he has a harness.
We don't have him on a choker collar or a collar. We got him on a proper dog harness. Hey, if we had you by the collar, you would have choked yourself, poor thing.
But then as soon as he was up, he was like, all right, cool, done. Let's not do that again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check and make sure he didn't hurt himself.
No.
Did the harness pinch you?
So the poor guy on the harness was just looking in horror like, shit. And then I got him up. He looked at me, he's like, huh? And I'm like, it's like the man language. We're like, you alright? I'm alright.
Jackson, you alright? It's like rock climbing.
Go, ready. You can do it. Come on.
Wait.
Jackson's waiting to go for his walk ready.
Just get my foot up there.
You can do it. Come on. Just climb. We'll see how Brittni gets back down on the boat again. It's actually a lot harder to get down than it is to get up, so she doesn't know that yet though. Sure, this reminds me of.
What?
Taking the slash.
Oh, Brian. I'm gonna do some laundry, wash the boat. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Are you filling up?
I'm gonna start filling up bottles downstairs.
Yeah, we've only got 3 left. I feel more. It's actually been really cool here, hasn't it? Like, we're on a beach, now we're here amongst like all these massive trucks and forklifts and ships and containers. I'm
looking forward to having a beach that Jackson can run around on again though. Suffering.
He sacrificed his beach runs in the morning. Cocking his leg. What are you doing, mate?
He's gonna run around on a beach soon.
Well, not tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
No, yeah, tomorrow, because we're probably going to leave tonight now, aren't we? We're going to do our first night sail, Brittany. Are you scared? Ready? It's midnight, we're leaving Albania.
We're nuts.
First night passage from Albania to Montenegro. And we pulled out and Brittany just said, oh my god, it's really dark.
We left just in time. All the street dogs were starting to work out that Jackson was in that area and they were coming to mark the territory. Yeah, they knew he was on our boat. They were just coming to sniff him out.
They were. You and the street dogs, eh, buddy? So Jackson's going to stay up here with us tonight and we're going to do our night sail. Because he never leaves our side. This is what I'm dealing with right now. Jackson's sleeping there. Brittany's sleeping there. I've got the radar on. Got the iPad on. Hey Brittany, what's the Blair Witch Project when they shines a torch on her face?
I'm really afraid.
I've been running for so long, unclear about the path I was on. I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal.
Very hard.
Ryan just woke up.
Yeah.
Your hair looks like the Beatles right now. You're part of the Beatles.
I am.
Oh, we've crossed over the Montenegro border. So now Ryan's gonna take down our Albania flag and replace it with the quarantine flag because we haven't checked into Montenegro yet. Ugh, I'm tired. Ryan did midnight to 3 a.m. I slept. Then I came up, he went downstairs, and it's 8 o'clock and he's gotten up now. I've been watching movies.
Alright. I just got out of bed. I think I just pulled my groin.
Alright, I'm gonna go lay down.
Alright.
I'm tired.
Go to bed. I'll pick up the slack.
I did a longer shift than you did. Ryan just said, oh, it's really great night sailing. I said, yeah, you did 3 hours and then I did the rest.
I went to bed when the sun was coming up.
No, you didn't. It took another 2 hours for it to come up after you went to
I
bed.
could see it rising over the mountains. See you soon. Welcome to Montenegro. Where are we, Brittany?
Bar.
Bar Montenegro. So we're going to pull in and check in at bar. Excited?
Yes.
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like and